कुछ मेरे राज तेरे राज आवारा से खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ तेरे मेरे रास्ते हैं जादुई मारते हैं बेबी भी है ना कोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे हम नाचते रहते हैं
खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ
रूह से बहती हुई तुम ये इशारे कुछ मेरे राज तेरे राज आवारा से
Assalamu alaikum everyone, I hope you guys are all fine. So Arabian Beauty sent me there some products. Let's start with one by one. This is their gold mask, and this is their peel off mask, and this is their gold facial. This is their Arabian Beauty whitening urgent facial. This is their bleach, and this is again hand and foot whitening cream. That's their upton, and that's their urgent facial. Haldi chandan sunblock, multani mitti, and this is their gold cream bleach, again skin polish, and this is their aloe vera soothing gel, and this is their soap, ये charcoal soap है, and this is their finger wax, and again upton whitening cream, and this is again cream, and that's their soap. So I have never used these products, but this time let's try these out. और मैं इनमें से कुछ products उठाकर जो मुझे अच्छी लगी तो मैं उनका review आपके साथ ज़रूर share करूँगी gonna make a video. You guys can also suggest me which products you want me to review, so मैं उसके ऊपर video बना लूँगी. I think that would be better.